Good morning, dear students. In this video, we'll study more about mole concept. That is, we'll solve some numerical problems here in this video. So, our first numerical problem is calculate the number of moles in 52 gram of helium. So how will we calculate it? First of all, we will see what is the given mass. The given mass is 52 gram and the atomic mass of helium is 4U and molar mass is atomic mass in G. So molar mass of helium will become 4G, and in this way the number of moles you have to calculate, and number of moles n equals to, formula is given mass upon molar mass equals to 52 upon 4 equals to 13. So answer is 13 moles. Numerical number 2, calculate the number of moles in 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 helium atoms. So given number of particles equals to 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23. Avogadro number equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. And which formula we'll use? N equals to N upon NO. It means given number of particles equals to, number of moles equals to given number of particles upon Avogadro number. So N equals to 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, and answer is 2. So number of moles equals to 2 moles. Now next numerical is calculate the mass of 3.011 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of N, means nitrogen. So given number of particles here 3.011 into 10 raised to the power 23, and you have to calculate mass. Now as number of particles given and mass calculate, so there should be relation between mass and particle, means you have to use such formula which gives relation between mass and particle. And which formula is that? That combination formula, means M upon capital M, that is given mass upon molar mass equals to N upon NO, given number of particles upon Avogadro number. So we'll use M upon M equals to N upon NO. So M equals to given mass equals to N upon NO multiplied by M. This formula will be used. So now keep the values. So atomic mass of nitrogen is 14U and molar mass of nitrogen will be 14G. So M given mass equals to N, capital N, that is 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 upon Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 into molar mass 14G. And when we calculate it, M equals to 7 gram. So mass of 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 nitrogen atoms is 7 gram. Now next numerical is calculate the number of molecules and atoms in 248 gram of solid phosphorus P4. So this question, how will we do this question? In this question, number of particles you have to calculate and given mass is 248 gram. And molecular mass of P4 will be 30 into 4 because 4 atoms of phosphorus. Children, again you are watching same type of combination is becoming, number of particles calculate and mass is given. So what relation between number of particles and mass? It will be calculated by same formula which we used in previous question. So what? N upon NO equals to M upon M. That is the number of particles upon Avogadro number equals to given mass upon molar mass. So here capital N you have to calculate, number of particles equals to M upon capital M multiplied by NO, that is Avogadro number. So it will become 248 gram upon 120 gram multiplied by 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So when we calculate this, it comes n equals to 12.445 into 10 raised to the power 23. So particles, these many particles. So there are 12.445 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules in 248 gram of phosphorus. So but now in this question, what you had to do, you have to find the atoms in phosphorus, that is molecule. In phosphorus molecule, you have to calculate the number of atoms. So how will you calculate? You are watching that atoms in P4, one molecule of phosphorus, 4 atoms are there. So number of atoms equals to number of particles multiplied by number of atoms in one molecule. So number of atoms equals to 12.445 into 10 raised to the power 23 multiplied by 4. So when we multiply 12.445 into 10 raised to the power 23 by 4, it gives 49.780 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. So the answer is number of atoms equals to 49.780 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. So I think you understood now, okay, how to calculate the number of molecules and atoms in given amount of molecule or substance, compound, anything. So this is the formula for calculating the number. And two more formulae before I told you, and this formula which is in combination form of both the formulae, when the mass is given or when you have to calculate the mass, and the number of moles you have to calculate, mass is given, and second one when you have to calculate number of moles, the number of particles given. So how we find out the relation between mass and particles? By the formula. One more very important thing, children, number of atoms in a molecule is called atomicity. Atomicity is the number of molecules given, number of molecules or number of atoms given in a molecule. The number of atoms given in a molecule known as atomicity. So where the question is in this form, ki number of atoms in molecule, you can say it atomicity also. As we solve this question just now, we wrote number of atoms in a molecule. In place of that, you can write atomicity also in this question. Okay, this is same numerical question going on which we have already done. So in this question, atomicity is written and we wrote number of atoms in a molecule of phosphorus. So we can write in place of that atomicity also. So children, if you have to calculate numerical problems, what will you do? You will see all the formulae, you will learn all those formulae and you will use them. In this way you will get all the numerical problems. Thank you children. Have a nice day.